What's up guys? If you're new to the channel, my name is Kwesi. I typically make videos on tech and cars and how to get your Instagram account back. Sorry. My last couple of videos have been about how to get your disabled Instagram account back. Now, I don't consider myself an Instagram pro or like some Instagram guru, but I've lost my page about 5 times now, and each time I've been able to get it back using different tricks, methods, and I feel like I'm knowledgeable to share it with you guys on tips and tricks you can use to get your Instagram account back. So my last couple of videos have been about that. Today I want to talk about specifically hacked accounts. Now it looks like wherever you turn, everybody's accounts are getting hacked. I mean, it looks like an Oprah special now. Like you get hacked, you get hacked, you get hacked, you get hacked. A lot of it is user error, where people are not knowledgeable enough to just spot a fake form, a fake scam, a fake phishing email or phishing DM. Some of it is also people just being foolish and being gullible for some few dollars. Like they get a DM, hey, send me this, and I can make you $2,000, and they fall for it. Like, if it's too good to be true, you have to question it. Like, who turns $10 to $2,000 in 5 hours? I mean, it's possible, but sometimes it's just too good to be true, and you just have to spot it. So that's what I want to talk about today. Like I said, if you're new, please consider subscribing. Please consider liking this video. It's going to help with this video going out to the YouTube community and just being more out there where everybody can see it. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump to the video. So, everybody's getting hacked now. I mean, my cousin got hacked and I was able to help her to get her account back. I have 2 friends that got hacked and I was able to help them to get their accounts back. Now, from what I see 2 main methods or 2 main scams that people are falling for and for their accounts to get hacked. The first one is a fake copyright form that's going around Instagram, and it comes from a fake Instagram help page. That form is like a fake copyright form saying, hey, you went against some copyright something, and that you need to fill this form out, else Instagram is gonna take your account away. You violated some copyright Instagram terms, maybe a music that you use or a song you use in a video, or a video you posted violated somebody's copyright. They're all fake. Instagram does not DM. Instagram only emails. A multi-billion-dollar company does not send DMs. A multi-billion-dollar company emails. They send official emails to your email account that's listed on your account. So that's the first scam that people are falling for. The fake copyright violation form that when you fill, you're pretty much giving them your info, your login info, and then they log in, they change your email password. They sometimes, if they're crazy enough, they change your @ name too, and then once they change your @ name, that's pretty much it. Let's go to number 2. The second method that people are falling for is the whole Cash App. I can make you money. I can make $2,500. Now, I've gotten those as well. So I'm gonna throw a screenshot so you guys can see. I got a DM. Matter of fact, let me pull it up now. I'm gonna put it up the screen now. So I got a DM and it says, can I use your page to make us some money? Immediately I knew it was fake. I knew this is one of those scams. They're just trying to get my login info. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna play along and see how this goes. So I said, how? She goes, I can make up to $2,500 or more off your page by doing cash out flips. All I'm doing is posting up a few things on your story, and we can split that at the end of the day if that's okay with you. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna play along and see how this goes. So I said, send me the stuff that you want to post, text it to me, email me, whatever, and I will post it myself. So then she goes, send login info so I can post it, or I could post up. So that should be a red flag right there. Why do you want me to give you my login info, my username and password, and you post it yourself? Why can't you send me whatever you want me to post? Just send it to me and I'll post it myself. Why do you need my login info? So as you see, my responses, I was like laughing my off. You out of your mind. I just went off on her. Like, you think you talking to a really smart professional here. Like, I'm not gonna give you my info. So I just went off on her and I blocked her. But I just followed along to get these screenshots so you guys can see. So this is another method that people are falling for. This whole cash out. People are being gullible for a few dollars, and they give them their info thinking, hey, I'm gonna make a quick $2,500. As soon as they log in, they change your email, they change your phone number, and if you're not lucky, some of them go as far as changing your ad name. And once they change your ad name, that's it. So that's it. So now let's move to how you can get your hacked accounts back, or how I was able to get my cousin and my 2 friends their hacked accounts back. Go ahead and jump in my phone. Now this will only work. I'm not saying this is gonna work for everybody, because at the end of the day, everybody's situation is different. Some of the hackers, they change, pretty much all your information to the point where they change your ad name as well. So this is what worked for my cousins, and my friend. So I can't promise that it's gonna work for you, but hey, you can give it a try. So at the Instagram login screen, let's say the hacker hasn't changed your username and password yet. So you put in that case your username, your password, and you click login. Now at the next screen, typically this is where they send you the 6-digit code. So what you're gonna do is go to try another way, and you're gonna go to get support. When you go to get support, it brings you to the screen. Here you're gonna enter the email that's listed on your Instagram account. Obviously you're gonna select that this is a personal account with photos of yourself. Now this form goes directly to the Instagram security team. So I suggest you fill this out maybe 3 times a day. It only allows you to fill this form out once every, hour, every 2 hours. So try to fill out maybe 3 times a day, 4 times a day to get their attention. And then where it says enter any additional details, just explain everything that happened. Hi Instagram team, hope all is well. My name is blah 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 blah. On October blah 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 2021, my Instagram account with username or with handle at blah 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 was hacked, and I've been trying to regain access to my account. I haven't been able to. I can provide any proof that this account belongs to me. The email address listed on the account is this. The phone number listed on the account is this. The date of birth on the account is this. Hope I can hear from somebody soon. So this form worked for I used the same method for my cousins, and it worked, and my friends, and it worked. So when that's done, you're gonna get an email that looks something like this. This is going to come directly from the Instagram security team. So it's going to say, "Hi, thanks for contacting Instagram. To help you get back into your account, we will need the following information: a brief description of the issue you are experiencing, including the date you last had access to your account and how you lost your account." So reply back with any information that they're requesting. The email address or mobile phone number you use to sign up for the account. 3. The device you use to sign up for your account, example, iPhone, Android, iPad, computer. If you signed up on a computer or tablet, please also tell us which operating system you used, example, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, when you signed up. 4. Any previous usernames you've had on the account you're requesting support for. Keep in mind that we won't be able to help you until we receive this information. For help logging into your account, you can also visit the help center. Blah, 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 blah. Thanks to the Instagram team. This email came directly from the Instagram security team. So provide them any information. Just tell them, "Hey, my name is this. I typically log in from my 2 iPhones. One is an iPhone X whatever, the other is an iPhone 13 Pro. I signed up in 2011. The email that I used to sign up is this." Attach a photo of yourself to make sure that they can see that this is you. And then just give them any information they ask for in this email. This is what I did for my cousin. And when we replied to this email, I think in about an hour and a half, we got an email back that they've given her account back to her, and she was so happy. So yeah, just try to use this method. At the login screen, try to go to I think it's either "Need more help" or "Try another way." When you click "Try another way," there's going to be a pop-up with like 4 options. Those 4 options, click "Get support." That's going to bring you to a form. That form takes you directly to the Instagram security page where you fill out and give them all the information. So I hope this video was able to explain how people are getting hacked. And one last point. If you go on your Instagram, I want to tell you guys to secure your accounts. So a way that you can secure your account to make sure that it doesn't get hacked is to turn on 2-factor authentication. What is 2-factor authentication? Every company is using it now. It's even like banks. When you log into your bank account, they send you a 6-digit code to your phone to make sure that it's really you. That's called 2-factor authentication. Instagram has it too, and you can turn it on. Click the 3 lines at the top right, go to settings, go to security, and it's right there, 2-factor authentication. Just set it up so anytime someone tries to log into your account, if they don't have that 6-digit code that was sent to your phone, they won't be able to log in. You can also go to login activity where it tells you where you're logged in now. If something doesn't look right here, just sign them out or just click "This wasn't me." So Instagram has put in place a lot of security measures to make sure that your account stays safe. So anyway, I hope that I was able to explain how people are getting hacked, ways that you can get your hacked account back, and ways to secure your account. I hope that this video helps you guys. Just shoot me a DM on Instagram. Please, I get a gazillion DMs a day, so if I don't respond, I'm not being rude. It's just overwhelming. I can't keep up. I'm not being paid for this, so you guys stay safe. Happy holidays. Peace.